Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix account action required in Gmail. So let's get into it. First of all, clear cache on Google Play services. The cache of your applications is simply a buildup of data and all the necessary information over a long period. Clearing the cache of your Google-related services could help restore any underlying fault or discrepancies and resolve the issue at hand. Another way is to remove your Google account and add it again. Another common way to resolve the issue is to completely remove your Google account on the device and add it again. The period between removing the Google account from your device and adding it again might help to reset the normal Google function and rectify this issue. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.